Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and the correct tools. Park level, engage brake, and turn off electrical systems because the glass should be stable. First, tape a rag under the mirror to protect the dash. Then inspect the mount. Look for a small set screw or a plastic cover hiding it. Once located, use the appropriate Torx or hex driver to slightly loosen that screw about 1 turn. This releases tension so you can slide the mirror off the button rather than forcing the glass. With the screw loosened, support the mirror head firmly with one hand so it won't fall. Then, angle the mirror slightly and slide the metal channel straight along the windshield toward the passenger side. You want linear motion, not prying. If the mirror resists, apply heat to the mount area for 30 to 60 seconds to soften adhesive. Use a hair dryer on medium and keep it moving. Once the channel clears the button, lift the mirror away. Make sure to keep screws and small parts in a container. Finish by cleaning the glass and pad where the mount sat. Apply rubbing alcohol and a plastic scraper to remove adhesive without damaging the windshield. If you plan to reinstall, inspect the mount and replace any worn adhesive button or threaded studs, then reattach and tighten the set screw to spec. If the mirror won't slide, reheat the area and try again. Alternatively, use a strap wrench for controlled pressure. Make sure to avoid metal prying to prevent glass damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.